In this video, I'm going to show you how to recalculate your budget in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money has a Recalculate Budget feature that uses your historical spending to automatically update your budget amounts, helping you keep your plan aligned with your real spending habits. To do this on desktop, go to the Budget tab, then click Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Recalculate Default Budgets. This tool will use your past transaction history to generate new budget amounts for each category based on your average spending. Once you click Recalculate, Monarch will automatically update all your existing budget values and replace them with new suggested amounts. This helps you quickly reset your budget without manually adjusting each category. After running it, you can still review and fine-tune any category if something does not match your preference. This is especially useful if your spending has changed or you want a fresh start for a new budgeting period. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.